Hi, I am Dr. Rajesh Kumar Verma, Chairman-Orthopedics, Joint Replacement and Spine Surgery. I work at Shalby Sanar Hospital, which is located in Gurugram, which is hardly 15 or 20 minutes away from International Airport of New Delhi. I have been entrusted with the responsibility of Orthopedics, Joint Replacement and Spine Surgery Department. I work in a big team where there are 4 senior doctors. One doctor takes care of only spine and MIS surgeries, including scoliosis and deformity cases. Dr. Lokesh, who is specialist in orthopedic onco surgeries. Dr. Chandan, he takes care of all shoulder replacement, shoulder arthroscopic surgeries, sports injuries. I, as the chairman of department, is keen in doing reverse shoulder replacement, revision surgeries of the hip and spine, robotic surgeries, partial or half knee replacement, metabolic bone disorders, MIS surgeries, disc replacement of cervical spine, lumbar spine, etc. So overall, this hospital is a unique boutique hospital where we cater almost all countries throughout the world, may it be Australia, America, USA, all Africa continent, Iraq, and other small countries in this continent. So we have treated more than 25,000 patients over the last period of 15 to 20 years, and we are equipped with best equipments, robotics, minimally invasive techniques. Our anesthesia department, physiotherapy department, and ICU department is fully equipped. Our international department takes pride in serving the patients with highest standards globally, and the services provided by food and beverages and other nursing care is world class. Overall satisfaction rates of working here, and I am so happy working in Shalby Hospital, and our patients are also very happy. Thank you so very much, and we welcome you all here.